Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, in the dollar CAD, I'm definitely still looking at this as a possible wave A. I still think this is 5 waves up for a wave A of B. I still think it needs to make 3 waves down for a B of B, which should take out the low wave 4. Then I think we're going to make another push up for a wave C of wave B before we make the bigger downtrend for the bigger wave C. So, anyways, keeping that in mind because the monthly time frame analysis is very important. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think that this right here possibly is the end of a wave 5 of A. I think this right here is an A of B. I still think this move up could be a wave B of B, and I still think we may have possibly found a top already, and that we need to go down for a wave C of wave B, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame, the US dollar CAD has been so sideways for about 2 months now. Very sideways price action. Now we do have a breaker structure to the downside, so I would expect this move up to possibly be a crescent to the move down. I still think this is possibly the end of a wave C. I think this is like a downtrend over here for a 1. I think this is like a very irregular ABC crescent for a wave 2. And I still think this is going to likely keep going down for a 1, 2, 3 of wave 3 to form that pattern like what I was showing on the weekly and monthly time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely had a pretty solid move to the upside, but the fact that this broke structure right here does make me think that the trend should be down, which tells me that this should potentially continue the downtrend. Now that move up right there is a trend, but I actually think this right here is a trend also, and this is kind of corrective, and then this is a trend. I think what happened is we may have another running flat. I think this might be a wave 1. I think this might be a big old ABC running flat wave 2. And if that's the case, this move up right here is almost definitely a crescent to this move down. And it most likely will end the crescent like a 1, a 2 of wave 3 and continue the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it does look like we are getting ready to make a move to the upside, but I would be looking at this right here as possibly a wave A. 3 waves down, possibly wave B. This move to the upside very likely could be a wave C. It could literally go up, take out this high, and then end the crescent and continue the downtrend. One of the best things you could probably do on the 1 hour time frame would be put your Fibonacci retracement from here to here, look for 3 waves up, look for a Fibonacci bounce, look for an impulsive engulfing move to the downside to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And do not forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.